Okay. I'm still trying to get well. I ordered these on Saturday. These are supposed to be the one of the best cough drops because it has Manuka honey. Now I already buy honey and I've been drinking honey in my tea. But this is supposed to be it's 15 plus UMF. I had to look that up. I didn't understand it. But they seem to work pretty good. So I'm about to take one and lay down because I made some food. I haven't eaten all day long. I made some ramen noodles and changing the water filter for my zero water filter. And now I feel kind of exhausted, but these are pretty good. I can tell the difference, like it does soothe your throat right away. So there must be really something to this Manuka honey. So I might buy a thing of Manuka honey. It's very expensive. These are $20 for these cough drops. But the Manuka honey it can be like $100 and something for just like 8 ounces. I usually don't spend that kind of money, but um, I mean, if it works, it's for health benefits for as a salve for like cuts or whatever. But anyways, these are pretty good.